Today we launch at Kootenay Park Marina in search of treasure. I use the maps I have of the sternwheeler distribution stops. I decide to search the bottom near 9 Mile Narrows in Crescent Bay. With hundreds of years of native traffic and sternwheelers through this area, I'm hoping to find some great long-lost treasure. I take my time once we get to the site, and I do a couple of grids with my fish finder to see if I can't find any anomalies and target the treasure. I've got my favorite crew on board with me as I suit up and jump off.
Are you okay?
So in 40 minutes.
Okay, goodbye.
Right away, I come across a great old brass sextant. While I'm cleaning it, I have a good look around the immediate area, and of course, I catch another bottle out of the corner of my eye. This one isn't worth keeping in the end. I'm pretty happy bagging up that beautiful brass sextant right off the bat. I shoot a few compass headings and continue my grid around the area. I'm coming across quite a few items. Some are keepers, some are not. I love the hunt and the possibilities on the bottom of Kootenay Lake. You never know what you're going to find down there. Although that bottle made it into my bag, this teapot did not, much to my captain's dismay after watching the video. After 40 minutes in the 40-degree water, I complete a safety stop and head for the surface, where my crew is all ready to pick me up. Love it. I get my gear packed up and out of the way. We head up to Balfour to get some fishing in. Along the way, we pass the Harrop Ferry. Looks like the Osprey is docked for some repairs. In Balfour, we stop at Molly's to get a few burgers for our trip out to the main lake. In the narrows of the West Arm, just onto the main lake, we cross paths with the Balfour. Beautiful view out there. We get our rods in and get fishing. Planer borers out, downriggers are in. I've got high hopes today we're going to catch a couple of fish. As we cruise through Pilot Bay, I still can't get over how beautiful it is outside today. Unbelievable. My new green water dog has some good action, so I'm hoping that's the one that gets hammered. And yes, the green water dog paid off. Caught a nice 2.5 pound dolly that we foul hooked, so we took it home for supper.
Get your phone, huh?
Before heading in, we stopped to clean it out in my fish hole using my washdown and garburator. Excellent. Love this boat. Thanks again to my crew for the great day out there as we pull the boat out back at Kootenay Park. Thank you for watching.